I can be sleeping there a month to the invitation day. I don't run from police invitation. I love police invitation.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Lizzy Anjorin ó tún ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa police invitation ó tún drag ó ní òun bẹ̀rù police invitation ó ní police invitation ó máa múnú dùn ní ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ fẹ́rẹ́bàlẹ̀ kí ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí Lizzy Anjorin ní láti sọ.
Because I have my evidence. I don't dupe people. If you pay me that you want to buy land, I will deliver the land to you. Since I've been selling my land, have you heard about any fraud case? You cannot. Despite the fact that you guys are doing evil. But ìkà tẹ́ ń ṣe yẹn, tá bá lọ court, tá bá lọ station, ẹ máa jẹ̀bi bọ̀ ẹ tún máa fún mi lówó ni. Na Lizzy Anjorin matter go kill na. I can't even stand what you guys did to her. Una never say anything. Ibriate, ẹ ṣáà rí wọn. Ẹ máa gbọ́bọ̀.
Have concern or you are a victim. Exactly. Try and file a report. And exactly. Like I said, there is a crime called cyber crime.
Why did they rush in to call him? They don't even know law. From Iyabo Ojo, Iyabo Ojo is a stark illiterate. Iyabo Ojo that does not even finish primary school. They are all stark illiterate. They are non-entity. But they thought police station and court is social media. They used to manipulate things. Now, let me show you this. Let me show you this. Let me just show you this, guys. Show only you. Mambo. Let me show you this, guys. Mambo. Okay. Ẹ máa gbọ́ ilé. Ẹ máa gbọ́. Don't forget that the person crying in this video, she has given birth to 4 children, to 4 different men. 4 children. Imagine a grown-up woman with 4 children, 4 different fathers, coming on social media, crying. When they were knocking at Toto, she no cry. They knock first one, knock third one, knock fourth one, knock second one. She no cry come. Epele ma agba se, Iyabo Ojo ti sori buruku tomotomo ẹ se. You don't understand? Imagine a grown-up woman coming on social media, crying for donation. I want you to see this. I want to do. And the same Lizzy Anjorin is the one paying her house rent. Someone of 4 children from 4 different fathers. Let's hear. You people do not have monopoly of.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ẹ wò, ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni mo wá lẹ́ni, because I don't have anything to give my children. Mo ò ní anything. Mo dẹ̀ jẹ́ ọkọ lówó torí ẹni ẹ̀rọ mo ṣe sá kúrò ní.
Ilẹ̀ fowó ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo, you know, when this idiot came on social media, nobody could have believed that it was Iyabo Ojo, the packager. But I knew, because Iyabo Ojo called me. I knew Iyabo Ojo. This is not Iyabo Ojo's first project. Iyabo Ojo has been doing it for us. Now, listen, listen. Let's watch this one. You know me, I have a lot of Emma Renio. This person crying now. Emma Bo. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá gbádùn ilé. Àwọn ilé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbádùn ilé. Ẹ lè bá mo ro èyàn tí Iyabo Ojo jẹ́. ẹ máa bọ̀ wá bá mi gbádùn ilé ọmọ mélòó ló bí fún Mr. Lawal jàre
bímọ méjì fún láti
ọmọ mélòó ló pè jàre ntí ẹ ọmọ mélòó
bímọ méjì fún láti
okay ọmọ méjì ló bí fún láti Ìyábọ̀ ọmọ mélòó ló bí fún láti.
This lady with her 4 children rest.
Okay.
4 children she has.
Okay.
But her support.
Wait. So 4 children ní lọ́dọ̀ títí ẹ. Okay. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ní 4 children. Let's listen to another one.
But her supporter, she's a single mother of 3. She needs our support.
Did you hear that? Ẹ dẹ̀ ṣe wá nǹkan tó pa Mohbad. Mo ní ẹ̀yin sì jókòó. Ẹni ṣó ní kóòtù àti station. Èmi gan wá yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọlọ́pàá tó máa rí géèmù tẹ́ ẹ gbá yìí. Tó wá rí àwọn èpè tí Ìyábọ̀ máa fi mọ sàárì Priscilla àti Festus.